oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my diary. Hey, you can stay, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. Feelings, baby.
Welcome back to another video. My name is the owner of Young and Classi. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. And if you're not new here, welcome. Y'all just got off work and it's 5:30, practically 5:30. And I am heading to go get my car washed. My car is super nasty on the outside, like super nasty. The pollen it's pollen season right now. So when I say pollen all over the car, it's all over. It's the only part, like spring is my favorite season. Spring and fall are my two favorite seasons, by spring being number one. But that's the only thing I don't like about spring is the pollen and the weather being like not bipolar, but like a lot of rain and storms. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. Especially for both seasons. What's going on now? I just gotta be, what time is it?
8, 12, 20, or 24.
You at a base bus?
I will get your membership.
Huh?
I will get your membership. $20.
No, I ain't about to, because I don't come over here like this. More like I use a hand wash my car.
Hand wash it.
Yeah. I'm a country girl, so ain't that cool?
I understand that now.
Thank you.
Want your receipt?
Yeah.
Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you. Y'all, these folks is tripping. I know y'all heard that horn beat. They, like, somebody just butting in front of somebody. They won't let nobody get in front of them. Like, but it's supposed to be that go. That is crazy. But just like I told him, usually I really don't come to the car wash, but I hand wash my car. The last time I got my car cleaned, my husband cleaned it. He detailed it and cleaned the car, so which is good. But this pollen is killing me. I can't take it. I got out of work and I saw my car being so dirty. I was like, no man, we're not about to do that, baby.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just got a little bit Emery. Say hi, Emery. Hi. I got her, so we headed to the house. I actually stopped by. I didn't go to Movie Kids, but I did stop by Popshelf. Simple because my husband wanted for Popshelf. But didn't want to cook me my little man. But yeah, I just stopped at Popeye. I only got the shrimp taco box with the fries. Didn't need it, but they did what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna go home, take my bath, cover their doorpost with the lamb, the blood of the lamb. The blood of the lamb or whatever, and to protect them from, just basically pass over them. The death angels pass over them. And then as I went on to read the word, read the Bible, read the story, they eventually got freed by Pharaoh. But with Pharaoh, he still hardened his heart after they were free. And they traveled all the way to the Red Sea, and God parted the Red Sea to where they can go over the Red Sea. Throughout, even the Red Sea is dry. The ground of the Red Sea is dry. When he parted the sea, even the ground was dry. Not wet, not muddy, no nothing. So that lets me know God put it on my heart as even after they crossed over, the Israelites were complaining because they felt like going back was even better, because as they were going forward, they felt like they were getting uncomfortable. They were getting not stable. They were having a lot of fear, a lot of worry, and they kept complaining to Moses like, why did you take us away from there? Being slave was a whole lot more better than this. And God put it on my heart to basically saying like, even after all the things that we have went through, he delivered us from this. He delivered us from our bondage. He delivered us from all the things that held us down, to keep moving forward, to keep us from moving forward. And yet and still we want to go back to our comfort part. Even though then we felt like, okay, we were better off. We were still struggling, but we felt like we were better off. But going forward, it's like it's getting worse and worse. Like we're afraid of what the steps ahead of us is gonna take place. And God basically just telling me like, just keep pushing forward, keep your faith in Him, because regardless of everything, He's going to lead us in our right path, and we just have to continually trust in Him. Trust in Him. That's the only thing we have to do, is trust in Him. Whether the path ahead of us look like it's going to be bad, or look like it's going to fall apart, or whatever it is, trust in Him, because guess what? He has something better over there for us. He freed us from what kept us in abundance, and keep us away from Him. He freed us from that to bring us closer to Him. So that's what I came on to tell you guys about this. As you read the Bible, even though there are stories in the Bible and parables in the Bible, there are meanings behind those things. Especially if you really read it through and through, then you really understand what the stories are about, and how those people back in the day overcome a lot of stuff. Cause like I told y'all before, the Bible is super juicy. If y'all think about love and hip hop, Real Housewives of Atlanta, or Basketball Wives, all of that, you can think about that stuff. It has a lot of drama. Baby, the Bible has tea. The Bible has tea. It's way more drama. And a lot of people not gonna look at it like this because of the words in the Bible or whatever, but I'm telling you, it has tea. And you'll be like, what? Like, these folks really went through this? Like, it really happened like this? Yeah. You think we were bad? You think the world now is cray-cray? The world then was cray-cray. But yeah, that's what God placed on my heart to tell you guys this morning. I hope you guys have a good day. I may come back on later today or night. I'm actually, like I said, I'm here to work, so yeah, so we're just making it do what it do. I'll talk to you guys. Hey y'all, it is after hours, and I pulling up at Popshelf. Y'all, I heard today that they closing down. And the last day for them is April 15th. And their entire store is half off. And when I say packed to the T, packed to the T. And when I say it's a lot of folks, I'm about to show y'all. Look. This right here, this is Popshelf over there. And there's a lot of people. Like, for real, there must not be a lot in there because some people come out with no stuff. I'm gonna see. They say they've been restocking all stuff all day. So, we're gonna see what's in here. I bet. Ooh, child. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. When I say it's packed up in there, boy, y'all can't see me. Let's move this sign out of the way. When I say it's packed in there, it is packed. Like, it's like it's so many people in there. It's like they giving stuff for free. Giving away stuff for free. Not the line I wrapped around. Like, if y'all have been in there, I think I only have like 2 registers. And lines are super long. People really hanging outside the door waiting to check out. That's just how bad it is. And I mean, I am not, nope. I ain't doing it. It don't get that serious. Okay, it do not get that serious. I mean, Popshelf have good stuff, but it don't get that serious. And then they still had a lot of floor arrangements left. I wish I just got some of them. My Lord, people there. I don't know. It's one thing about people. People hype up a lot of stuff. Like, it's not the first time a store had half off. Everything was a half off. That's not the first time. But and this really word of mouth, because word of mouth and social media posts. That's how people find out about it. It's not like they just broadcast it, because they just pretty much put the sign up on the door this morning. And for it to be that packed, that's crazy. That's crazy. And it's just, it was too much chaos for me. And I'm a type of person, like, I don't like to be around a lot of people. I don't like to be in a crowd of people like that anyway. But unless I have to, that's different. Unless I have to. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm going to Kroger. I'm getting my husband to make me some lo mein. And what's some lo mein and shrimp today? For some reason, I don't know why, I'm eating more shrimp now. And I try not to eat a lot of it because they are high in cholesterol. But they try to go ahead. I just want to lo mein though. Y'all heard a lot of talk about lo mein for the last couple days. Well, the last 6 yesterday. So he gonna cook it today. But yeah. type of dinner tonight. My husband got me getting egg roll. And I told you guys I want the little man. And then she might get some duck sauce and a little hoisin sauce for, I guess, for the little man, so it can be added in there or whatever. However, he's a chef, he knows. Rest of the what we got. Then I got Emily some more popsicle pizza. A popsicle is Emily's favorite things to eat right now. I know that's gonna be for Chinese sometime soon, sooner or later, but if it ain't pizza or popsicle, or even strawberry maybe, but especially her top two is pizza and popsicle. Love it. Go crazy. So y'all, heading home, y'all. Just a piece of shop for home. I'm actually gonna pick up my baby first. I think Caleb probably already at home. He probably got off at the break there. But I gotta go pick up little Miss Emery. I had a few packages come in today. I had 3 boxes that came in today from one vendor. And I'm waiting on some more for the rest of the week. I think I got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday coming in this week. Yeah, so that was what I'm trying to get everything settled and call it a day. Alright y'all, I'm back. I am basically show you how the little box that came in, well the little 3 boxes that came in today. This is you and the 2 over there. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sneaky peek of what's to come. I'm not gonna show you everything. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneaky peek. I have so much stuff going on over here. I ain't gonna open the door yet. So we're gonna open this box. Got my husband downstairs cooking the little man. So that's this box. I try not to do it too deep. Maybe. Cause it'll just push out over here. This junkie back there, don't pay no mind. And a few more months, it's not gonna look like it. And a few more weeks, not gonna look like it. Hopefully it's gonna look good. Okay, so. Ooh. But this is just, I got a set. I got a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. I haven't, this is my first time opening, so I haven't even tested it out, but these are the pens. I don't know if you guys can see, but pen. Oh, okay. This is straight to go. Got the long straight, so it's straight to go. Good material. I'm all about quality. I show you guys a lot of things in here. But when it comes to my stuff, quality is number 1. I have my stuff last. This is for, I believe this is for my classmate ladies. I'm not going to show y'all everything, but I'm just giving you a sneak peek of what's to come. This should be a dress. It's 3X. But this is a dress. Go out the shoulder. Y'all gotta love me. I'm going to like it. Yeah. Okay, what's the size? I'm gonna show y'all one last time. Then I'll be good. I hope they be perfect when I try them out. And it has a little, oh my god, they are some good material. Oh my gosh. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. Can't wait. It's a little, it's jeans. Jeans, okay? Are we good on that? What they got up there? I ain't gonna even open all these boxes. I don't want this stuff all over this stuff. Heavy. OMG. Yeah. You want to get in the camera? Huh?
Patrol!
That's a Paw Patrol coloring book.
Look. Monkey.
Them not markers, them clear.
Queen. Queen.
Baby, he about to go hard.
Okay.
So now that I have a bigger space, see, I got y'all some little outfits that y'all want to go out in here. But yeah, it's still a little classy with love. But you know, I ain't gonna do nothing too extravagant when it comes to. Oh yeah.
Daddy, I'm out.
Oh yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much what I had to show you guys. I got one more box I gotta open, but I'm gonna wait until I move everything over because I don't want my face to be too cluttered. This is exactly what it's about to be. Cluttered. It's already cluttered. But yeah, but yeah, that's what we got, y'all. I hope you guys, when I finally actually open and do everything, I hope you guys support me. Like, no. You are supporting my dream. Like, you are supporting my dream. This is like my lifelong dream. So I hope you guys are able to support when that time comes. And of course, I'm definitely gonna do. Yeah, my liquid all over the place. I'm definitely gonna do a try on haul, so y'all can see. I'm gonna try to do it around the time I lunch. Like the exact same time I relaunch the website or open the website. So I'm gonna try to do it around this time. So we can do get it together, y'all. Okay.
So what you in the rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down.
Hello, my Young and Classi Babes. Today is Friday, March 21st, and I work 12:06, and I'm heading. I'm gonna go get me some food first, and then I gotta go get my nails done. Although it's supposed to be lasting for a week, and it really did last longer. I mean, not longer, but it did last long. It really did last longer than the normal acrylic, because normally they'll be like want to come out, and it's like it's on there. It's on.
You got me smiling now. You know what's coming.
Now I'm at your silent treatment, that mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no, no.